Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into my second YouTube video. In this video, I'll be replacing a taillight on a 2009 Toyota Camry. I purchased this replacement taillight used on eBay for about $10 plus shipping and handling, and the current taillight on the Toyota Camry is cracked and turns out it's actually full of water. So it's a good thing that I'm replacing it, and I hope you enjoy the video. Thanks for tuning in and watching. Okay. Perfect. All right. I just took off the license plate to obscure, I don't know, the license plate number. I'm not really sure why people do that. But as I alluded to in my first video, this broken light is the problem. So I'm just gonna try to see if I can figure it out. I haven't actually watched a video on this, but I did just get a replacement part. It looks like it matches it. I mean, it's used. It's not like a brand new part, but at least it doesn't have a cracked light. So let's see if I can figure it out. Also, I think my wife's trunk is pretty dirty, and I used her donut because she had a flat tire a couple weeks ago and it hasn't been put back. So I'm gonna reorganize her trunk and then try to replace this light. So let me open up the trunk, reposition the camera, and get started on at least putting the trunk back into order. Got it lined up. I'm also just now discovering that if I'm using my phone to film, then I can't use the flashlight on my phone. Or I can't use the flashlight on my phone if I'm using it to film, unless I pick up the camera. Oh well, you live and you learn. Alright, this is almost on tight. 5 days later. Forgot that the tire iron and whatever thing on the back of this stupid piece of equipment. God damn it. Okay. Whew. And my carpet. Okay, hopefully I never have to do that again. Let's start with the light. All right, now we have to figure out how to remove this light. It looks like a couple of screwy-dooies. I don't even know if we'll need to pop this off. Yeah, possibly. Righty tighty. Lefty loosey. Oh man. Maybe I should look up how to do these clips really quick. So, where did I just put my screwdriver? Okay. I just saw a video on YouTube about how to do this. Let's see. Well, at least how to remove the trunk liner clips, or however they said it. Okay. So there's one bolt, and then this electrical connector. But I think that's it. I mean, I took off these two. Yeah. Should be easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Gonna take off the extension. I did not disconnect the car battery, which is probably recommended. How annoying. Why would Toyota put 13 clips? It's just obnoxious. Of course, like every car video, there's like a million steps. I mean, the visor was way easier. I'd say visor difficulty 1 out of 10. Oh, replacing this thing so far, 2.5, maybe 3. Or just, more difficult than expected. I think I got it. Let's see. Wow. Is that on camera? Yeah. Yeah, so this one, broken. And this used one. Oh. Not broken, oh thank God. I was just holding it upside down. All right, well, I mean, they seem to match. So I guess let's go ahead and put in the new one. Without the light, this is what it looks like. And the old white thimble thingy, this piece of plastic did not come out. So I don't know, maybe I'll leave this one. And I it up and take this white plastic one off because it's more up. Okay. See if it works. Ugh. Let's see. I mean, looks like it works. Well, I think we're good to go. I just need to put the headliner in, put everything away. This is what I'm most worried about. It's these easy parts that are, these plastic things that always break, Okay, we did this. Hopefully these all just wow, that's all she wrote. Gotta put on the license plate, and we're done. I guess we can close it. Okay, I just finished my wife's car. Put the license plate back on, so I'm trying to hide it. But this light here, no longer cracked. So problem solved.